So similarly, let us go for one more example, that is example number 2. So here this is our example number 1. Then now in example number 2, I am going to assume set A as 0, 1, 2. Then now set B as 1, 2, 3, 5, and set C as 5, 6, 7. So here let us find A union of B union C and A union B of union C. So here, and even what do you notice or what do you infer by finding these values? So first of all, so here the solution starts now. In our solution, set A is of 0, 1, 2 and set B elements are of 1, 2, 3, 5 and set C elements are of 5, 6, 7. So these all are given for us. So here let us find out the first one, that is A union of B union C. Then later we will go for A union B of union C. So here we are going to find out the first one, A union of B union C. Solution starts now. That is, first one is of A union of B union C. B union C, first of all let us write A equals to 0, 1, 2. So here A is equals to 0, 1, 2. Then now B elements are of 1, 2, 3, 5 and C elements are of 5, 6, 7. So here 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 5 and C elements are of 5, 6, 7. Then now let us find out the first one, that is A union of B union C. So in order to find out A union of B union C, so within the brackets there is of B union C. First of all let us find out B union C. Then that is equals to, we are going to find out the group 1, that is B and C are grouped, say in this bracket. So we are going to find out B union C, that is equals to first set is of set B, that is B elements are of 1, 2, 3 and 5. Then now union, then now set C elements are of 5, 6, 7. Then now in order to find out the union of the two sets, that is B and C, we have to write all the elements of the first set, that is 1, 2, 3, 5. Then later in order to write the elements of set B, that is set C elements as 5, 6, 7. So here we have to see, we have to include it in this B union C set in such a manner that it should not be repeated. 5 is already present in the set of B union C, it should not be included as an element. Therefore C can be included, there is no such element. Then even 7 also can be included because there is no such element in the set of B. Therefore 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 and 7 are the elements of B union C. So in this manner I got B union C elements are of 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 and 7. Then now let us find out overall, that is A union of B union C. Then that equals to set A elements are of 0, 1, 2. The latter union of, so here already we got I say here B union C elements as of, so here 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So here let us write B union C elements are of 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. In order to get these elements of set A union of B union C, first of all we have to write the elements of the first set, that is set A as 0, 1, 2 as it is. In order to include these elements in the set of A union of B union C, we have to see whether these are repeated or not. Say 1 is already repeated, so here need not to enter. So here 2 is also repeated, need not to include here in the set of A union of B union C. So here 3 can be included, it is not present here. So even 5, 6, 7 also can be included as the elements of A union of B union C. So in this manner, so here therefore I got A union of B union C is equals to set consisting 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 and 7. So let us write this as the number 1 equation. So in the similar manner, so we have covered the first one, then let us go for the second one, that is second one is of A union B. First A and B are grouped, then union C. So here let us find, so here A union B, that is the second one, A union B, then union C. So here in order to find out A union B of union C, first of all let us find out A union B which is in the bracket. So here set A, so set A elements are of, first of all let us write the set A elements. Set A elements are of, so here set A elements are of 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, then now union. So here set B elements are of, so here set B elements are of 1, 2, 3 and 5. So here 1, 2, 3 and 5. So in order to find out the union of A and as well as B, let us write all the elements of first one, that is 1, 2, 0, 1, 2. Then to include these elements in the A union B set, so we have to check whether it is repeated or not. 1 is repeated here, so need not to write in the set of A union B. 2 is also present, so need not to write. 3 and 5 are not there, so we can include 3 and 5 as the elements of A union B. So in this manner I say here, I got A union B. So here of A union B is equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, 5. Then now let us find out overall, that is A union B of union C. So here A union B of union C is equals to, say A union B elements are of, so here we got A union B elements are of 0, 1, 2, 3 and 5. Then now bracket close, union of, so A union B elements are of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3 and 5, union with, so here set C. So here set C elements are of 5, 6, 7. So here 5, 6, 7. Then now in order to find the elements, so first of all we have to write, so here union of the two sets is nothing but the, so here first either the set A or set B or both. So here first of all I am writing this elements of first set, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, then later to include 5, 6, 7. So these elements should not be repeated, those only must be taken as the elements of A union B of union C. 5 is repeated, so here it should not be included, and 6 and 7 are not included in these numbers, so we can write as a 6 and 7. Then therefore 0, 1, 2, 3, 5 and 6 and 7 are the elements of A union B of A union C. So in this manner I say here, therefore, so here A union B of union C elements are of 0, 1, 2, 3, 5 and 6 and 7. So let us take this as the second equation. So from 1 and as well as 2, from first and second equations, that is the first equation is of, so here A union of B union C is equals to, so here A union of B union C is equals to, the elements are of 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So here 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 are the elements of the first set. So here these are the elements of the first one, that is A union of B union C. In the similar manner, let us find out the second one. So second one is of A union B of union C. So here A union B of union C is equals to, so here we got A union B of union C is equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So here previous one is of 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 and the second one is also of 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Then now this is the second one. By observing these two, that is elements, right side elements are of 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 and right side is of the second equation are of 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. From this it is clear that the left hand sides must be equal, that is A union of B union C must be equals to A union B of union C. So from this it is clear that A union of, so here A union of B union C is equals to A union B of union C. So here from this it is clear that Therefore, so here associative property over the union, associative property over union of sets holds good. So here even we can illustrate by means of, that is example number 3. Even we can show union of two sets by means of Venn diagram. So here illustrate A union B by means of Venn diagram. Solution starts now. So here if A and B are of two sets, so this is the universal set in which there are of two sets, one as A, this as set A, and the another set as B. So you have to write, we have to illustrate this A union B by means of Venn diagram. So here this is the region which is common to both set A and as well as set B, that is it is either set A. So here this region is present in either set A or set B. So here this region is present in only set A. So this region is present in only set B. So here but we have to find out A union B. A union B indicates, so here either set A or set B or both. So here this region indicates both and this region indicates only set A. So here this region indicates only A. So here this region indicates only A and this region indicates only B. So this region indicates both A and as well as B. So but we have to find out as per the definition of the A union B. So here A union B is nothing but the elements which are present in either A or B or both. So here we have to draw the lines in both the sets. This indicates either A or B or both. So here this horizontal lines is indicating, so here A union B.